My name is Nathaniel. Welcome to my videos. Now I am presenting Volcano Experiment. Today we are going to make a volcano. For now, using baking soda with colored and vinegar. First, we need 4 spoons of baking soda. 4, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to put food coloring. Now I'm going to put vinegar. You want to say one more time? This is the biggest part. This is more bigger. This is the end of the volcano. This is our bed. See you.